Good morning, everybody. This is Liz Schode, registered dietitian and director of clinical nutrition here at Jackson Purchase Medical Center, doing another Learning with Liz lesson with you guys today. So I was trying to, figure out what kind of topic that I wanted to talk about today, and I was looking up what is in this month. What is this month known for? So actually, June is Brain Health Month. So are there any foods that we can eat to help our brain, help us think better, and help with cognitive issues and things such as that? So there actually are some foods that we could do. So I was like, hey, I need to start eating a lot more of these foods to kind of help with my brain health. But it's quite interesting. So there's 4 different types of foods that I mainly want to talk about that might help us with our cognitive, help our memory and things like that. So, there are many things that can make us maybe sleepy or forgetful or that type of thing with going on with our brain. But sometimes it's just our brain just gets older and our cognitive issues start declining a little bit. So what can we do to help us out? So number 1, eat your vegetables. We've talked about veggies in the past. They have different minerals and vitamins contained in them that help many parts of our body. But actually our vegetables, in particular things such as like broccoli and cabbage, dark leafy greens, they actually may help improve our memory. So, try to have maybe more salads that you're, putting things in like kale, that type of foods in there. Other types of dark leafy green vegetables in that. Or, you could put different turnip greens, collard greens, such as that into different, on a sandwich or even in a salad and things like that. Broccoli, do a broccoli stir fry for supper, and you're throwing some really good vegetables in there for you. Another thing is the deep blue fruits. So deep blue in color fruits, I guess I should say that way, such as blueberries. There's been a lot of studies recently about blueberries and our mental health, and actually it's showing it can really kind of help us. So what blueberries contain, I gotta look at the word so I can tell you exactly what it is. It's called an anthocyanins is in blueberries. It's that blue color. And eating a half a cup daily of that can actually help our cognitive. So, helps us think better. So eat your blueberries. This is also National Blueberry Month too, but it's just crazy of what it can do to kind of help us out. So also things like cherries, and cherries I know come in different seasons, but those good, like those Bing cherries, are really, really good. Getting omega-3 fatty acids, we find these things in such as like fish, especially your fattier fish. So it's going to be in things such as like salmon, bluefin tuna, sardines, herring. Now, not a lot of people like sardines and herring, but if you like your tuna, if you like your salmon, that actually gives you a really good source of that omega-3. Omega-3s help our heart, but they also can help our brain. So trying to bump up, our fish intake if you possibly can. Actually, the American Heart Association recommends, 2 fish meals a week. Well, guess what? It can help with our brain too. So trying to incorporate some fish into our meals during the week is a great thing to do. If you don't like fish and just don't want to eat it, you can take a fish oil pill or capsule. I always tell people, if you're going to take something like that, number 1, talk to your physician about it. But number 2, with fish oil, you want to make sure you get the burpless ones, because you can taste that fishy taste from those. And the last thing is walnuts. There's been a lot of research with walnuts with weight loss, but also walnuts can help with our mental health. So trying to, have some walnuts maybe as a snack, or throwing it like on a salad or something like that. Do remember that nuts can have a lot of calories in them because they are higher in fat, but it's the type of fat that's in walnuts in particular that can be very beneficial for us. So we'll try to make sure and attach this handout to this talk so you can kind of read through that. But the 4 things: eat your vegetables, eat your berries and your cherries, omega-3 fatty acids, and try to work in some walnuts into our diet. And who knows, it might make you think better. I'm hoping it makes me think better and remember things better. But there are some things we can do for our cognitive health. So I hope you enjoyed our talk today. If you have any questions, or if you would like a topic that you would like for us to discuss, just kind of drop us a line on here. So I hope everyone has a great day today.